So we have the burn it all validator and we got the road to number one, and people are already saying this is impossible. Burn it all validator cannot get to the number one spot. This is going to be impossible. But and then when they're gonna watch it happen, and guess what? Those people that are saying it is impossible behind the scenes, well, what are they gonna say next? Oh, they got lucky. It's like, it's like you just said it was impossible though. So it doesn't matter about luck because you took that into consideration as well. Anybody can get lucky, can win a lottery, can do, but you said it was impossible, taking all the considerations into effect. You said it would never happen. People are saying it was never going to happen, right? And they're taking all the considerations into effect, and they're still saying these things. So a lot of people are saying it behind the scenes. Burn it all validator can't get to number one. It's impossible. It's impossible. And yet, next year you're gonna see the validator at number one, and you're gonna be like, you're not even gonna say anything. You're gonna keep quiet. You're gonna ignore people. You're gonna hide from people because you remember saying these things, and it's like it's embarrassing now, right? So don't be those types of people, man.